The modern world operates at a relentless pace. With tight schedules, competing responsibilities, and shrinking attention spans, traditional learning methods such as long lectures, extended seminars, and comprehensive textbooks are quickly becoming outdated. Enter microlearning, a highly effective, science-backed approach to education that aligns perfectly with today's fast-moving, digital-first lifestyle. Microlearning delivers knowledge and skills in compact, focused sessions, enabling learners to gain valuable information in a fraction of the time required by conventional methods. In this video, we'll explore what microlearning is, why it's so effective, its practical applications, and how it is shaping the future of education and skill development. Section 1. What is microlearning? Microlearning is a learning methodology designed for the digital age. It involves breaking complex topics into bite-sized modules, typically lasting between 2 and 10 minutes. These modules are purpose-built to focus on one specific concept, skill, or piece of information. They leverage diverse formats such as short videos explaining key concepts, interactive quizzes to reinforce understanding, infographics for quick visualization of data, flashcards for memorization. The goal is simple: to make learning as accessible and efficient as possible. Key features of microlearning. 1. Compact content. Each session targets a single, well-defined learning objective. 2. Flexible formats. From mobile apps to online platforms, microlearning offers diverse ways to engage. 3. Self-paced. Learners can control the pace of their learning, fitting it into their schedules. 4. Cost-effective. Microlearning is cheaper to produce and deploy compared to traditional programs. Data from the Association for Talent Development reveals that 90% of employees prefer shorter, more flexible training programs over long, in-person seminars. Section 2. Why microlearning works. Microlearning works because it aligns with how the human brain processes and retains information. Traditional learning often overwhelms learners with too much information at once, leading to cognitive overload. Microlearning avoids this by delivering content in manageable chunks, allowing the brain to focus and absorb information more effectively. The role of spaced repetition. Another key principle that underpins microlearning is spaced repetition. This technique involves revisiting material at regular intervals, which strengthens neural connections and improves long-term retention. Studies by educational psychologists, such as Hermann Ebbinghaus, have shown that revisiting information over time counters the forgetting curve, enabling learners to retain up to 90% of what they learn when done correctly. Cognitive benefits. 1. Improved focus. The brain naturally concentrates better on smaller tasks. 2. Higher retention rates. Shorter, spaced lessons help learners retain information more effectively. 3. Reinforced learning. Frequent, targeted review ensures skills and concepts are fully mastered. Data from the Journal of Applied Psychology shows that microlearning improves knowledge retention by 17% compared to traditional training.
Section 3. Advantages of microlearning. 1. Accessibility and flexibility. Microlearning meets learners wherever they are, whether commuting, taking a short break, or waiting in line. It doesn't require a dedicated study environment or large blocks of time. According to Pew Research Center, 85% of American adults own a smartphone, making mobile-based microlearning accessible to a vast audience. 2. Enhanced engagement. Microlearning's interactive and visually appealing formats keep learners engaged. Many platforms incorporate gamification elements, such as points, badges, and progress tracking, to maintain interest and motivation. The e-learning industry reports that gamified microlearning increases learner engagement by 60%. 3. Cost-effectiveness for organizations. Developing short, modular content is far more affordable than designing comprehensive courses. It also minimizes downtime for employees, as training can be completed in small increments during the workday. For businesses, this translates into substantial cost savings. A report by Deloitte found that companies using microlearning reduced training expenses by 30 to 50%. 4. Scalability and customization. Microlearning is scalable, making it suitable for organizations of any size. Modules can be easily customized to fit the needs of different learners, ensuring relevancy and personalization. 5. Faster results. Learners acquire practical skills quickly, as each module is designed to be actionable. This allows them to apply their knowledge in real time, accelerating productivity and results. A report by the International Journal of Educational Technology shows that learners trained through microlearning complete tasks 30% faster than those trained through traditional methods. Section 4. Applications in education. 1. Enhancing traditional classrooms. Microlearning complements traditional education by providing supplementary resources. Short, engaging modules help reinforce lessons, cater to different learning styles, and address individual student needs. Data from the EdTech Impact Report indicates that students using microlearning tools alongside traditional methods scored 22% higher on assessments. 2. Bridging gaps in access. Microlearning platforms are closing educational gaps in underserved communities. With minimal resources required, such as a mobile device and internet connection, learners worldwide can access high-quality education. UNESCO estimates that mobile-based learning initiatives have reached over 20 million students in remote regions, improving literacy and numeracy rates significantly. 3. Lifelong learning opportunities. Microlearning supports lifelong learning, enabling individuals to acquire new skills at any stage of life. Whether it's mastering a new language, exploring hobbies, or advancing careers, the flexibility of microlearning encourages continuous personal growth.
Section 5. Microlearning in the workplace. 1. Onboarding and compliance training. Microlearning streamlines onboarding and compliance training, breaking complex policies into digestible modules. Employees can quickly understand procedures, standards, and expectations, leading to faster integration. A study by Gartner shows that companies adopting microlearning for onboarding reported a 45% improvement in employee preparedness and satisfaction. 2. Reskilling and upskilling. With industries evolving rapidly, businesses must prioritize continuous learning. Microlearning provides employees with the tools to acquire new skills efficiently, helping them adapt to changing demands. According to McKinsey, companies that integrated microlearning into their upskilling initiatives saw a 60% increase in productivity. 3. Supporting remote workforces. In the era of remote work, microlearning is a vital resource. It delivers consistent training across distributed teams, ensuring that every employee stays aligned with organizational goals. Section 6. Tools powering microlearning. A variety of tools and platforms are driving the microlearning revolution. Learning management systems, LMS platforms like Moodle and Canvas allow organizations to create and manage microlearning content. Mobile apps, Duolingo for language learning, Blinkist for book summaries, and Elevate for cognitive skill building are popular examples. Video platforms, YouTube and specialized e-learning platforms like LinkedIn Learning offer short, focused lessons on virtually any topic. Industry data shows that the global microlearning market is projected to grow to $3.4 billion by 2028, driven by advancements in AI and mobile technology. Section 7. Challenges and solutions. 1. Risk of fragmented learning. A common critique of microlearning is that it may focus too much on short-term retention rather than deep understanding. Solution: combine microlearning with other methods, such as project-based learning or mentorship programs, to foster comprehensive skill development. 2. Overdependence on technology. Not all learners have access to reliable devices or internet connectivity. Solution: create offline-compatible resources and ensure equitable access through community programs and subsidized tools. 3. Lack of standardization. Without a unified framework, microlearning content may vary in quality. Solution: develop clear guidelines and standards to ensure consistency and effectiveness. Section 8. The future of microlearning. The future of microlearning is being shaped by cutting-edge technologies. AI personalization, AI-powered platforms analyze learner behavior to create customized content and adaptive learning paths. Immersive training, virtual and augmented reality offer hands-on experiences, making learning more engaging and realistic. Data analytics, advanced tracking tools provide insights into learner progress, ensuring continuous improvement. By 2030, Experts predict that microlearning will dominate both education and corporate training landscapes, revolutionizing the way we learn and work. Microlearning is not just a tool, it's a transformative approach that empowers individuals and organizations to thrive in a fast-paced world. Whether you're a student, professional, or lifelong learner, microlearning offers a pathway to achieve your goals efficiently and effectively. Start your journey today. The power of knowledge is at your fingertips.